The guideline for home isolation of COVID-19 cases has been issued by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. In view of evolving situation of COVID-19 in the state, the following guidelines are issued. The persons who have tested COVID positive shall be permitted to be in home isolation with the following conditions. Only those who are asymptomatic or mild symptomatic shall be allowed to be in isolation at home. They shall be oriented to the protocol of home isolation. Health team from District Health Authority or BBMP or authorized private institution or agency shall visit the house and assess the suitability of the house for home isolation and also do triage of the person. Dedicated telemonitoring link shall be established for daily follow-up of the person during the entire period of home isolation. The person shall report to the physician or health authorities about their health status every day. The person shall have pulse oximeter, digital thermometer, face mask, gloves to be used during home isolation. The home isolation shall be with the knowledge of the family members, neighbors, treating physician, and local health authorities. Things to be done at home is similar to the home quarantine. Instructions to the person in home isolation. The person shall wear medical face mask. The mask shall be discarded after 8 hours of use or earlier if it becomes wet or visibly soiled. Mask shall be discarded only after disinfecting it with 1% sodium hypochlorite solution. The person must stay in the identified room only and maintain a physical distance of 2 meters or 6 feet from other people at home, especially elderly and those with comorbid conditions like hypertension, cardiovascular disease, renal disease, etc. The person shall take rest and drink a lot of fluids to maintain adequate hydration. Use boiled and cooled water for drinking. Shall follow cough etiquettes at all times. Hands shall be washed with soap and water for at least 40 seconds or cleaned with an alcohol-based sanitizer. Do not share personal items like utensils, towels, etc. with other family members. Keep them separate. Clean surfaces in the room that are touched often. Tabletops, doorknobs, handles, etc. with 7% Lysol or 1% sodium hypochlorite solution. Clean and disinfect bathroom and toilet surfaces at least once daily. Regular household soap or detergent should be used first for cleaning, followed by 1% sodium hypochlorite solution. The person shall strictly follow the physician's instructions and medication advice. The person shall report promptly if he or she develops any worsening of symptoms as mentioned above. The person shall take healthy and nutritious diet. A model diet plan is given. Smoking, chewing tobacco, and alcohol intake shall be strictly avoided. The person shall receive counseling services when necessary. Download Arogya Setu app on mobile, available at this link, and it should remain active at all times through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Further medical advice shall be immediately sought if the following symptoms and signs develop. Difficulty in breathing, oxygen saturation less than 94% using fingertip pulse oximeter, persistent pain, pressure in the chest, mental confusion or inability to arouse, slurred speech, weakness or numbness in any limb or face, developing bluish discolorations of lips or face. Any other symptom the person considers serious, as advised by treating physician. Instructions to the family members of person in home isolation. Do not panic, do not stigmatize. Keep the person cheerful and boost their morale. Ensure that the person is in strict home isolation. Visitors are strictly not allowed until the person has completely recovered. For any assistance, please call Aptamitra helpline on 14410. Instructions to neighbors of persons who are home isolated. Support the person and his or her family by providing essential items like medicines, rations, vegetables, etc. until they get cured as may be required. Keep a vigil on the person in home isolation to ensure strict home isolation. Remember, the fight is against the disease and not the person.